How to perform a factory reset of your PlayStation. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can actually perform a full factory reset of your PlayStation if you want to actually go ahead and erase all of the data and contents on your PlayStation. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now you want to understand that after you factory reset it, you'll basically lose all of the data except that which is actually saved on your account if you're logging back again to the similar account. And all of the users who have actually set this PlayStation as their primary device will also actually be resetted. So you want to simply be aware of that. Now even if you want to actually reset it, you have to simply scroll upwards towards this menu bar options. You have basically been given multiple options over here. You want to scroll all the way to the right hand side until you find this option called settings. So once you find settings, simply tap on settings by hitting the X button. Again, you'll see a bunch of different options such as user guides, device metadata, accessibility settings, and so on. All we have to do is actually scroll and slide all the way to the bottom until you find this option which says Initialization. So what you have to do is simply select this option which says Initialization in order to factory reset. You have been given three options, which is you either want to clear your learning dictionary or whether you want to only restore your default settings, which usually gets whatever issues you have on your settings fixed if you want to only go ahead and reset your settings. Or else, if you want to perform a factory reset, you have to simply select the option called Initialize PS4 and then hit X. And you have basically been given two options. The first one says quickly delete data from system storage and initialize the PS4. This method might allow third parties to retrieve the data by using specialized tools. Or else you could simply select the full option which says completely delete data from system storage and initialize the PS4. This method actually takes several hours, so simply select the full option, and then it also says that all users and all data will be deleted. This PS4 will be deactivated for any users who have it activated as their primary PS4. So make sure to select the initialize option and then hit X, and it says deactivating. You have to simply be patient and wait until the deactivation process is actually complete. And this is basically how you can actually perform a full factory reset of your PlayStation. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.